Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I am on my way to Johor Bahru because I have a morning appointment with the dentist. So in today's video, it's more like a solo motorcycle trip to Johor Bahru. Yeah. And this timing I don't expect a jam in the custom. Yeah, probably most of the people will be coming in from JB to Singapore, so I am expecting that the traffic condition to go to JB from Singapore will be okay. So I guess I am wrong. Look at the traffic, so congested. Is it because it's a school holiday? Because right now it's the June period. It's a school holiday in Singapore. Oh, even the motorcycle is not so easy to move forward. I mean, like for the motorcycle it's still fine because we can do the lane splitting. By the way, lane splitting in Singapore is still considered legal, so don't bash me in over the internet, please. Okay, probably clear for motorcycle now. So over here is actually jam also. Okay lah, no choice. Yeah, so let's see. It's moving just slowly only. And I have to stop filming already because I am approaching the custom. Okay, so just clear the Singapore custom, and now I am moving towards the Malaysia JB custom. Took about 10 minutes, I guess, to squeeze through the congestion to the Singapore custom side. I think for the JB custom for motorcycle will be faster. Yeah, so I have cleared the JB custom too. So now the time is 8:52. So basically it took less than 30 minutes for motorcycle to pass through both the customs. So now I am on my way to the dental clinic.
Waiting for my turn. Yeah, it seems that I'm the first one here.
Okay, so just finished the dental appointment. So overall experience is good. The dentist, Dr. Hong, was very friendly. It's pretty gentle lah. He will actually warn me here will be painful, so and then he apologized to me that this will be painful, that kind of thing. So it's very friendly, very polite. Yeah, highly recommended lah. And for 200 ringgit for dental scaling, I think is quite reasonable. Thank you. The massage center still not open. Yeah, so it's Borneo, not sure whether you can see, it's Borneo Oasis. Yeah, they open at 11. So now it's only 10:15 a.m. So guess what? Maybe I can go nearby to have coffee first. Yeah. So saw this B.O.D. Bao. Yeah. think they are, I tried their hot bun before lah, quite nice. So let's try here. But there's no place to sit. Oh. Soya milk drink. Siu mai at Da Bao. Siu mai is okay lah. It tastes good, but it's not the best. The best siu mai is in Hong Kong, but their bao is the signature dish, I can say. Bao is good. Wow, it's like going to rain. Aiya, I think the massage center is open already. Let's go there. Going for the massage now, and let's talk later. Okay, just finished the massage. So here is my review. So the place is very clean, very hygienic. As you can see from the video, right, they still lay a cover on the bed lah. So it's very clean. And then the massage is good. It's very relaxing. Now I feel very refreshed. Yeah, it's good. I will rate it like 4 out of 5. Yeah, it's very good. The price, if you come at, like me, I come at the off-peak period, right? Like 11 to, if I'm not wrong, is 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. this period, and over the weekdays, it's like 30 ringgit cheaper. It's supposed to be, because what I did is, what I done was the 90 minutes aroma therapy lah. So it's like a full body oil massage. Yeah, it's supposed to be 160 plus ringgit, but because of the off-peak discount, right, they only charged me like 130 plus ringgit. Yes, and you can choose the scents of your choice lah. For me, I chose lemongrass. Yeah, and during the massage, they will put some hot stones on your lower back and on your tummy or behind your neck. So you feel very comfortable. I actually fell asleep. I fall asleep. I think I snored. Overall, very good experience. Thumbs up.
Yeah, I think it's this one, Rong Soon.
Yeah, so now we are going to荣顺海鲜鱼头米粉. I think this one is famous for their prawn fish head soup. 那好吧，给我一份这个吧。对。 try the noodles. I think I will try the soup first. So this fish soup is with the added the milk. So it's supposed to be more creamy. Not bad. Okay, finished the fish soup. So the shop owner actually told me that they will be closing down in 1 month's time. Overall, the fish soup was good. It's like it's not like those very heavily flavored kind of. It's not very intense, I can say. It's not very intense kind of taste. You know some seafood soup, right? They are very tasty. I think for theirs it's like kind of light flavor. Yeah, and overall it's okay. If you like those like not so salty one, then I think you will like this. And yeah, she is very friendly. I think even the chef is very friendly. Allow me to film them how to cook. Yeah. So the reason for closing down is because the chef is also old already. They are going to retire. And also at this location the business is not so good because the parking is not easy also. Yeah, so I wish them good luck.
Be over my troubles. Yeah, they've been there for so long now.
This is good. And then right, I purposely order the iced Americano. It's the perfect combination because it's not sweet. And you drink this, right? It cleanses your palate.
But since you came around, all I see.
多少钱呢？洗车？啊，50可以。
所以你们这边还有做什么东西？
就洗bike，然后做 performance 的东西哦。
performance 的东西。
改装件就 exhaust 发那个 A filter 这些，外表也是有改。
什么 bike 都有做了。
就大摩托啦，大 CC 的全部。
performance 还有那些 customization。
对 ，customize 的东西。
S Max 这种有做吗？
比较少，
都是
因为
大的
normal
bike。
都是 super bike 啊。
我看你这边很多那些 super bike，就是
对，
哇，这些都是 sports bike。哦，这个是那个 pressurized 的 foam 吗？哦。哦。对。真的很脏，颜色都变了，你看。好美哦。
OK， Now we are going for a early dinner. Let's go, let's go. The bike is so clean now. Amazing job, amazing job. It's not easy for them. Two of them, they spend like about close to 45 minutes just to detail this bike. I think I want to find a pharmacy first. Need to buy something for my wife. Ah, pharmacy. There's a pharmacy here. Let's find a place to park. Maybe I'll park here first. Bought some medication and some of the altitude sickness medicine from the pharmacy. Okay. Now let's go for dinner.
Ni hao, 有什么好介绍？All these dishes is cost me about 30 ringgit. Yeah, so less than 10 Sing dollar. So is it worth it? What do you think? Okay guys, heading back home now. The Chap was nice. It's just that you must understand that this is a street store, so the hygiene may not be there. A lot of flies flying around. So if you cannot take this, then it's not suitable for you. The meat was tender. In testing, everything don't have a foul smell. So overall it's okay, just the hygiene wise, and the price is okay too. I ordered quite a lot and it's only 30 ringgit lah. So can't complain for the price. Yeah, I guess I will stop here. Now I will be heading back home. Please help me by like my video and subscribe to my channel, as this will help me a lot. I will stop here and we will catch up again next time. Bye bye.